Welcome to Gibbs Hill Lighthouse, Bermuda's iconic sentinel. Perched on a 245-foot hill in Southampton Parish, this cast-iron marvel was built in 1844 after deadly shipwrecks on treacherous reefs claimed 39 vessels. Lighting up on May 1, 1846, its beam has guided mariners for over 175 years, from kerosene lamps to modern electricity. Ascend 185 winding steps to the lantern room, where a 1904 Fresnel lens spins at 354 feet above the sea, flashing visible 100 miles out. Gaze over Horseshoe Bay's pink sands, turquoise waters, and the endless Atlantica panorama that captivates all. Today, it's a beloved attraction, blending maritime history with stunning vistas. Whether by cruise ship or bike, this beacon calls you to explore Bermuda's timeless allure. As the sun dips toward the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, Gibbs Hill reminds us that some lights never fade. They illuminate paths for dreamers, adventurers, and souls seeking the extraordinary. Come stand at its summit, feel the wind whisper ancient tales, and let its enduring glow inspire your next chapter in paradise.
Standing tall on an emerald hill, where the sky and the ocean are never still, your gentle light has shone the